I am back, and my little orphan TT has been through an awful lot since Shadu gave it to me. Just over a month ago, my good friend Shadu gave me this little Audi TT, and I promised him I'd do something very special with it. The car was rough around the edges, it was filthy, and it had a massive dent in the roof. So first things first, I had to give it a proper clean. Then I popped over to the Aviator Speed Shop, where Joe gave me a hand removing those nasty dents out of the roof. The next job was to upgrade the brakes, and thanks to ProBite, OEM TT Parts and Hell, I gave the car a full big brake kit upgrade, which is pretty incredible. The next job was remove any unnecessary weight, and then I popped back over to Joe to get him to slightly modify a second-hand exhaust I got from Facebook Marketplace so it would fit correctly on the car. The exhaust sounded incredible, especially alongside that massive ram air intake. I even managed to get my hands on a BGW big boot spoiler, which, believe me, is all going to make sense in the end. And now it's the moment I've been waiting for. Press-On Automotive are going to wrap the car, and I just can't wait till it's finished. If you're a motorsport fan and you're an old school motorsport fan, you're going to get this. You're going to love it. Ugh. Right, that'll do. That'll do for now. That'll do. Press-On Automotive are a fantastic company based in Kent. They specialise in vinyl wrapping, paint protection film and logo prints and designs. So whether you just want your car to have some crazy livery or whether you want your company van or company vehicle to be logoed up, these are definitely the go-to guys. They can also do mobile stuff such as shop front windows, etc. So there's really not much they won't do. The team are fantastic, really great fun to be around and absolutely talented. We're starting off with cleaning the car.
Yeah.
The cleaner the better, because it helps the wrap adhere, I'm guessing.
No oil-based products, anything like that. We want to get
all the grime and dirt.
waxes and everything off to make sure everything's nice.
It doesn't help that I had to do 160 miles to get here this morning, but I did kind of wash it, but Emily disagrees that it was clean, so you know, be like that. But I tried. The tinted rear lights, which I did yesterday, still look all right. They haven't washed off, which is nice. And we need some new plates, because this plate is going to need some sort of drilling out, because the bolts are, or what's left of the bolts is not much. So that's fun. Otherwise, it's doing well. I think, do we have to take this boot spoiler off the back?
Yeah.
Is it possible? Shall I have a go at it? I'll have a go at it. I'll have a go. I think I've got enough tools to do it. Let's have a go. Let's give it a try. So I attempted to remove the boot spoiler, which was only held on by 4 bolts, but it turned out it was also bonded down with what I can only describe to be Vibranium, because that thing wasn't going anywhere. So we decided we'd have to wrap around it. So Emily is smashing away at getting the door card off. Done it with ease. She didn't have to go on YouTube at all. It'd be like that though. I'll tell you what, every door card I've ever taken off, I've had to go on YouTube to find out how to do it. Because
You should have been there last week with the bloody McLaren.
Oh.
I bet that was fun.
Yeah, when half of the doors made up the carbon.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to pull anything hard on that. Can you fix my electric window switch while you're there?
Yeah, I can watch it.
Bodge it, that'll do. The whole car's bodged at the moment, so that's fine.
Okay, all of them have got come under.
Oh,
Nearly got the middle one off as well.
how'd you do that? Just pull it out?
Yeah, so these have little clips here.
I knew they came
You
out
pull
forwards.
that up like that. These little trusty tools.
Oh, I knew they came out forward. There's me thinking, I've got some satin spray. I might take them outside and give them a spray. Possibly. What do you think of my intake? Ram Air
Big enough.
kindly provided this big monster. Comes with a nice bracket. Not bad at all. It sounds good. It's very whooshy. Yeah. Sounds like it's got a massive turbo when it's completely stopped. It's completely stopped. People pull up next to you like, ooh.
You run it.
Yeah.
Mate.
Stock, mate.
Absolute style.
Absolute stock with a big old cone on it.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real, I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost to feel, I'm just lost to feel.
Right, question guys. Each individual opinion, be honest. Because of what we're going for, and we're going with a loud, wild colour and whatnot, do I go for yellow underglow? Yeah.
Personally, I wouldn't.
You wouldn't?
I'm not saying it wouldn't look good. Personally, I wouldn't.
You wouldn't?
I'll say give it a go.
You'd say give it a go?
I say yeah, but not yellow, I'd do blue.
Blue. But neons are a go for you.
Yeah, I think blue though, not yellow.
Got to do something. I like it if I see it.
Would you go with any other colour or just no neons at all?
I'm not a neon guy when it comes to cars.
So you,
I mean, I'm not, but because of how wacky this is going.
that's where I'm going with it. And you know what?
Yeah.
I kind of want to bring neons back, man. Like, neons were kind of cool in their day. Like, they were a thing.
As long as you put some 6x9s at the back.
6x9s, yeah. So, opinion number 4. Do I go for, because it's such a wacky car, do I go for neons underneath? I'll take that as a yes. So we got a split decision here. We got...
I said no, they said yeah.
We got 2 yeses and 2 nos.
Did the race car have neons on it? No.
Okay, that's a good point.
Race car, you're going to go fast and furious.
I thought I'd share this with you. I took this little bit off the door card,
Yeah.
and it's blue tacked in,
Oh, that's nice.
which is good. That's
I like that.
like I've never ever seen a blue tack bodge on a car before.
I've seen chewing gum, not blue.
Blue tack is special. Let me see if I can sack it back in. So to the person who blue tacked this, it goes in and twists. It doesn't need to be blue tacked. You're hilarious. You are hilarious. I don't know which one of you guys it was, because I know everyone that's owned this car. Own up.
I've got a child who hit a bit of blue tack down.
Own up. Whoever it was, own up. So that is the end of day 1 of this wrap. It's gone amazingly well. We've got the yellow down. Next is going to be some black is going to go on the car, and then there's going to be some logos. So tomorrow is going to be a busy day. We've got a few other things. We've got a skirt to fit onto the front, and we're going to have to do some bits for the boot spoiler, get that all back on the car. It's going to look amazing. Thank you for watching day 1. Join me for day 2. So we're at Press-On. It is day 2 of the Audi TT wrap, and I'm just up here with the printing machine. This is where all the vinyls get made, all the stickers get made. And this is one of their baby machines. Apparently you've got another one which is it 8 meters?
One of the new ones will be, yeah.
8 meters. I don't know what you're printing on. That's 8 meters, but that's huge. Anyway, let's get some stickers made.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? With every word that I've said, how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Right guys, so she's done. Massive thank you to you guys. Got to shake all your hands. You've been putting in some serious work.
No worries, mate.
And
Good.
the car looks amazing. The car looks absolutely amazing. I can't thank you enough for doing this for me. Like, I never thought this little Audi, little orphan would look like a brand new racing car, but it's there now. So I'm going to see you guys at the VHP.
Yeah, 4th of May.
4th of May.
Getting Hill.
I'm going to be there, this is going to be there, so you guys come down if you can. Then it should be at Shedfest, I believe. Talking to Auto Alex about that, so that will be another one where you can see it. Otherwise, I'm just going to try and get it everywhere I can. So if there's anything else you guys are doing, I heard Tac Bodge are doing something nearby, I don't know if you know about that.
Brands actually do one as well, don't they?
Brands.
Yeah.
They always
Yeah.
do tracks and everything, don't they?
Also, I've got Castle Coombe around the corner from me as well, so I'm going to try and do that at a Bedford Autodrome day when I get a chance. So this is going to be out and about, which will be awesome. So what about a road trip, guys?
Anytime you like.
Nürburgring?
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah.
Yeah? You down? 100%.
I'm down.
Let's do it. Nürburgring, that'll be next on the calendar. Anyway, thanks again, guys.
Thank you.
Massive appreciation.
No worries.
Take it easy.
No worries.